Hello children, once again your Rashmi teacher is here with question answers of chapter 4. Let us do this. A part. Here I have put the tick, that is the answer. In fill-up I have given the answer, but in question number B3 you need to write full form of ICT. Question number C, children, you need to do it by yourself. Sorry. Question number D. First, its answer is on page number 32. Just at the beginning of the chapter, from beginning up to the third line. Question number D2. Its answer is on page number 34 and 35. Here, what is satellite city? Here, under satellite city, full paragraph. And its example from international, this second part answer, and Thane is the satellite city of Mumbai. Next, define a smart city. Here, full paragraph under the smart city is the answer of first full paragraph, D3. 4 number, name any 5 smart cities of the world. Again on page number 35, here D4. Any 5 name you can write from this, whichever you like. What is waste management? Its answer is in the glossary, last point. When and where did the Industrial Revolution begin? Its answer is on page number 32. The Industrial Revolution here. This first and 2 lines. Let us move to question number E1. Its answer is on page number 32. This first point full up to here. Now E2. Describe the push and pull factors of rural to urban migration that have led to large scale urbanization. Page number 33 here. Here it is given a number of push factors. These all you will write. It's one part. Next part is, next point, the pull factor. Question number 3. Write any 4 positive effects of urbanization. Page number 33 and 34. Here, positive impact or effect is given. Full. All the points. E3. Now, question number E4. How are smart cities helpful in modern age? 35. Page number 35. E4. First 2 paragraphs you need to write. Last question. Explain any 3 causes which led to urbanization. Page number 32 and 33. Here causes. Any 3 points from these all causes, any 3 you can write. Now move to question number F. Its first answer is on page number 34. Question number 1 and question number 3, its answer is same. Their answer is same. On page number 34. Under adverse effect F1 and F3, full you need to write. F1 and F3 from beginning to end, all the points. Now answer of F2. Describe the characteristics of satellite cities. Here, satellite cities characteristics begin from page number 34 and it continues up to page number 35. Why do original inhabitants of an area get displaced due to migration? On page number 34, last point. Is answer of F4. Now, question number G. Why do you think so? Anti-social activities are on the rise of urban agglomerations. Page number 34. Under adverse impact, second point. Full you need to write. Due to unemployment and underemployment, the antisocial activities are rising. There is cross commuting between metropolis and its satellite city. Page number 35. Here. There is a cross commuting between metropolis and satellite city. Its answer is here, given here. That fourth point under characteristics of satellite cities. Sorry children. This fourth point is the answer. Now let us move to the last question. Citizens in smart cities enjoy a good quality of life. That is here. Full paragraph. First full paragraph under smart city. This is the answer of G3. In this chapter also children, this picture study you need to do. Then life skills. Please do this also. With this, we complete this chapter. Next day, we will do the question answer of Asia. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.